Well, hello everybody. A nice, fresh, cool day. It's November 13th on the Saturday, and I got to transplant some of these cabbage plants. I need to move them, but let's take a look at the garden. Sorry about the sun. It is bright out here today. Oh, these broccoli plants aren't looking too good. Maybe I'm gonna transplant them somewhere else. This tomato plant, it's just gone wild. It's still putting off tomatoes. Bunch of little cherry tomatoes. I just had me one. Look at that. Wonderful. Well, I never did get around to transplanting these turnip greens, so I just need to pull some out and cook them. We got some collard greens over here going. Looking real good. Habanero bushes are still going crazy. Oh, man, I never grown habaneros before. We got 3 plants in here. But they're looking good. I wish I just ate the things. I don't eat them, they're too hot. But I'm gonna put, well, I already got, what's down in there? They got some turnips coming up. But it's entirely too thick. I need to pull some of them out. Got some chives here. But y'all stick around. I'm gonna transplant them cabbage plants in one of the planters over here. Well, mariachi pepper plants are about gone. Cold weather. The jalapeno bushes, they're still strong, but they're not making no peppers, so probably time to pull them up. The okra plants about had it, but I got these 2 planters here. Hadn't done nothing with this one yet. I have a hard time getting dirt back here until the yard dries up. It's still wet out here. But I think I'm gonna plant the cabbage plants. Well, they're full of ants. I think I can still plant them and get rid of these ants too. Well, y'all stick around for more while I transplant these things. Okay, I'm ready to start transplanting these cabbages. So, excuse the sun. I might be able to get on the other side. Then the sun be shining in the camera. So I'm gonna try my best to show y'all. These raised beds I built only 2 foot wide, so figure I'll plant one here and one over here, back and forth. So we'll see how that goes. They're actually getting pretty big already. I hope they stay alive. I can get them separated here without destroying the roots. And one. Try to get them kind of deep. I already fertilized this soil about a week ago, so it should be ready. And if we don't have any hard freezes, it should do pretty good. Just worried about all these ants in this bed. It looks like that poison that's going to kill them. It's garden. It's for garden, so I sure hope that ain't too close together. Oh Lord. Ground is kind of wet out here. Just a little bit. I don't need more. And I got a lot of plants I didn't know I had that many. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around this way, getting close to them ants. Well, that's how I'm gonna do them. And no use of boring y'all with me planting all of these plants. I got a bunch more here and a bunch more in the pot. So I'll probably have 2 raised beds full. Oh Lord. Air getting low. But I'll see y'all in a little bit and I'll end this video. Well, I'm back, everybody. I got the cabbages transplanted, and I transplanted the broccoli to get it out of the tub and fill up the planters. So I only had 3 broccoli plants. And if we don't have any hard freezes, they should be all right. I got like 19 cabbage plants. Skip over to this planter, and it's full of cabbage. So if y'all remember last year, had some pretty good cabbage heads until that hard freeze hit and killed them all. I'm fixing to pull all this up if it don't start producing more. Still got flowers on it though, I'm surprised. Yeah, I think the pepper plants about had it. They're turning black. I bet that they're hot. Yep. Still got blooms on them. Then the mariachi peppers are still growing. Crazy. Bet them boogers are hot. And my little bird's eye purple bush, what I call them. Them are hot little firecrackers right there. Anyway, come down here to the other cabbage. I got 2 in this one and 2 in this one and put 3 in this one. So 19, 22, got 26 cabbages. I'll be giving some away to the family, but let me find a good shady spot to get in out of this sun. Anyway, catch my breath. Still can't walk that far, but I'm getting around better than I was. I just wish I could get rid of this hoarseness. But that's all the video on transplanting cabbages and broccoli. To pray to good Lord it all makes it, and we get to eat some good cabbage. But we'll see y'all next time. We love you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to keep making videos. Bye.